Hey, in this episode, I want to share how you can work as a team with your family. How you can get your family to work with you in your business, like as a team. I'm not asking them to hire you into your business, but having the support of your family, working together as a team, will increase your chances of achieving success faster. Don't you agree? How do you do that? This episode, you have the answer. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy. Welcome to another episode of Daily Dynamo. In this episode, talking about how do you work as a team with your family, with your wife, with your husband. How do you work together, with your husband or your partner? How do you work together? Because when you have an amazing, strong relationship, you will do fantastic in your business. You will overcome any challenges, any downs and any ups. You will handle it all because the relationship, the core relationship. But if you don't have a partner, that's okay. But you have a relationship with someone, and when you must have noticed when there is friction in that relationship, either with your friends or your family or your parents, anything. When there's a friction, you know it affects your business. You know it affects your willingness to take action. You know it affects your ability to get things done. Because you're thinking your attention would be stuck in that event, your past. So you know it's a lose-lose situation. Nobody wins. So how do you create win-win situation with your family members, your loved ones? How do you do that? Step 1: agree to policies with you, the person who you interact with most, whether your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your partner, your parents. Who do you majority enjoy communicating with, enjoy being in their presence, having them in your life around? Who do you do that? There's always that one or two people. You have that one person you enjoy hanging around with. Might be your brother, maybe your sister, whoever it is. And that's important for you because you want to maintain that relationship, because that relationship strengthens you at this point. As you grow, you might make new relationships, but there's always that one person who you spend most, and it impacts you when there's a friction in the relationship, and it obviously gets passed on to the business and to your clients. We don't want that, because so how do you do that? 1, make agreements. Make an agreement you don't need a lawyer or a solicitor for that. It's just an agreement between you and that person. It's just saying, when we're agreeing on your working times. If you're currently working on a 9-to-5 job and you're working hard on launching your business, or you have a business and you're working extra hard in making the business grow and become more successful, you're working irregular hours. You're working whenever you feel like it's the right time. Whenever you feel motivated, you just sit on the computer or you work. And that, you need to have discipline on that. You need to set exactly the timings on when you're going to work on your business, because that's very important for your partner. They need to know when they can communicate with you, when you're working. When you have an agreement on that, and it doesn't have to be fixed, like saying Mondays this time to this time, Tuesdays this time to this. It doesn't have to be fixed, but you can change every week by week. So you and your partner, the other person, can agree to week by week, plan your week together, and that way you have more control on the week, and you know exactly what you're doing in the week, and it's a win-win. You're getting more, you're growing up as well, and so you can decide when you're going to work on that week, and you stay committed, because when you decide on that hour, on that time, for that day, you're going to work on your dreams, then you get it done. And the rest of the time you can just switch off, stop, go and hang out, go to movies, go and spend time, watch movie, cuddles, hugs, go for a walk, go for a run, do anything, spend time with your loved ones. And that's way you have your time, you are focusing on your projects, your business and your clients, and that way you are committed, to your own words with your loved one. And when you can keep that word, you will have the confidence to make more promises, and the more agreements and the more promises you will make more money. That's all. So make policies with your partner, and that, my friend, will strengthen your business, and you will get all the success you want. And that's Daily Dynamo for today. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.